We're seeing the indices hit new record highs, seeing a lot of bullishness out there. How do you see today shaping up? What's your WEX word of the day?
The WEX word of the day is bundle. Those firms that can bundle artificial intelligence with their current products and services will be successful.
All right, so as you're talking about bundling right now, are there any certain stocks you're thinking about, or I should say certain sectors? You gave us some picks. I want to wait a second to get to those. But what sectors are you looking at that you believe have that ability to bundle?
Technology and also healthcare are the leading sectors that can really bundle artificial intelligence in their products and services.
All right, so you're looking at those sectors. I want to go through a couple of your names right now. You gave us three. They're pretty interesting. One is Microsoft, obviously kind of follows in that theme. Another one, KLAC, and also Regeneron. Out of the three of those, which one do you expect to do the best, at least in the near term? Remember, a lot of anticipation of Fed cuts. But as you look at your picks, which one are you the most bullish about right now?
I'm the most bullish about Microsoft because one is that it's really done a great job of integration of AI into their products and services, from being with Copilot, Azure Cloud, and those applications are really doing well.
All right, certainly. I also want to look ahead to something that continues to move the market. It's earnings and also the Fed. One thing that you're looking at is the Atlanta Fed's metric of sticky inflation coming in at 4.6%. In your mind, what does that mean for some of the earnings that we're going to see? And then what does that mean about the Fed's decisions when it comes to rates?
Yeah, one of the things with the sticky CPI, the Fed wants to target that to get it to about 2.5 before they even think about easing. So we're looking at still probably a pause till we can bring down that sticky CPI, because that sticky CPI is really difficult to get under control, and the Fed is going to have to be resolute to get that under control.
All right, so you're saying the Fed has to be resolute. So do you agree with the market that we may see 6, maybe 7 cuts this year, or with the Fed is signaling just 3? And again, how does that impact the markets going forward the rest of the year?
Yeah, so what we're seeing is that we're not seeing 6, definitely not 6 easings. What we're seeing is that there could be easing late 2024. So we're very concerned about getting that sticky CPI under control.
All right, we'll have to continue to watch. So again, Degas Wright, your picks are Microsoft, Regeneron, also KLAC. Very bullish on tech, apparently. We'll have to see if tech continues to show leadership today. I do want to ask you one more question. We have seen a bit of a rise in rates. How would you play tech right now, where in general we're seeing higher valuations, but also rates moving higher?
Once again, we look at that AI theme, and so you want to focus on those companies such as the mega cap disruptors, those companies that are suppliers to the artificial intelligence industry, and also those companies that can do applications. So you really have to look under the hood and understand the companies and how AI could impact their business.
All right, what do you think about the markets hitting new record highs? Making you feel bullish or a little concerned right now that it's going to have to pull back?
We are still bullish, risk on in this market, because we feel that the aspects of the market, artificial intelligence, you talked about cybersecurity earlier, those are still going to be drivers into 2024.